How to share link of WhatsApp group. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you the ways on how you can share link of WhatsApp group. So to share WhatsApp group link, first of all update your application and log into your account. In order to share your link of WhatsApp group, open up the chat page of the particular group for which you actually want to share the link. So as you can see in my case, this is the particular group chat. So tap the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner, go to group info. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find invite by link. So tap the button and here you'll be able to find all sort of options. So click on copy link, or you can also just share QR code, or maybe share link, or you can also reset the link, whatever. So for my case, I'm just gonna copy the link. After that, when you've copied the link, go to the chat page or open up the platform where you actually send it. Now for example, I'm just going to send it to this particular contact. I'm just going to tap the chat box and paste in the link. So whenever this particular contact is gonna tap on the link, it's gonna direct them to this particular group and it's gonna add them to the particular group. So in this way you can share link of WhatsApp group. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.